Oh, I'm not too much. 70 years old man. Don't be jealous. What do you care for? Make your choice.
You're making me blush.
Oh, because you're my baby. So what do you care for? Just mention anything.
1 minute.
My baby. You're a woman. Ooh. Babe, we are there.
Baby. I thought you said you love me. Calm down.
Okay. I'm sweating already.
You
Baby, I'm very well.
Jesus! Jesus. God have mercy upon us.
They never show you anything. Baby. Who are they? Who are they?
Okay. That's my brother. He's an ex-army officer.
Army?
Yes. And that's my brother too. He's not doing anything for now. And that's my younger brother. He just finished writing his job. And it's my sister too. Okay, so I told them to come around. You said you love me now, right?
To come around. I just got only you to come.
I mean, my family is still me.
I scan yourself. 1 minute.
You don't want him to eat.
1 minute. I need you now.
Then what's the problem?
Fine.
You know I love you, right?
Sis, I'm hungry. Yeah, I want chop rice, so I never chop today.
Please, sis, please, I need juice and shawarma.
I hope they have egusi soup here. I want to eat that.
Someone need.
Thank you, barrister. Thank you. I called her to come on a date. She came with the family members. This is a family meeting.
Excuse me. This is absolutely ridiculous and unbearable. How can she do a thing like that? No, it is not acceptable. According to 1999 Constitution, as amended in 2023, no family member, I put it to you, no family member, I repeat, is entitled to come on a date with family members. No, it is not done.
How is that your business, barrister? How is that your business?
Excuse you? Young woman, I have to respect you because I am a girl child advocate. On that regards, I put it to you. Looking at the state of things here, with the faces I am saying, intellectually, I can detect that this is beyond legal matters.
Jesus!
Different from bad blue. Blue. Bulaba.